Have you ever wondered if animals have a secret language? Well, meet Barnaby, a scruffy little terrier with a very unusual talent. While other dogs chased squirrels, Barnaby would sit for hours under the old oak tree, tilting his head, listening intently to the chirps and songs of the birds. At first his barks were just a jumble of sounds, but slowly, miraculously, they began to change. One sunny morning, a tiny sparrow chirped a worried tune. To everyone's amazement, Barnaby replied with a soft, melodic woof chirp that sounded just like a question. The sparrow answered, and an incredible conversation began. Barnaby had learned to speak to the birds. He became their furry guardian, warning them of approaching cats and helping them find the juiciest worms after a rainstorm. Barnaby shows us that friendship knows no bounds and that sometimes all you need to do is listen. Thanks for watching. If you loved Barnaby's story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tales.